Lately, I've been on this organizing frenzy and I'm tackling a space that I never shared with you guys before, and that's under my bathroom sink. I've partnered up with Bed Bath & Beyond to share how you can organize under your bathroom sink using ORG products. By the look of this, you should know that every space in my home is not organized perfectly, but under my bathroom sink has always been a trouble spot for I think most of us because of all the different products and styling tools that we use. And after taking everything out of the cabinets, I got rid of tons of things that I weren't using and donated the rest. Bed Bath & Beyond ORG line has an exclusive product line that I want to introduce to you guys. I've tried a lot of systems over the years, but this system is here to stay. ORG Mesh Expandable Under the Sink Shelf is key to having success with your kitchen or your bathroom sink being organized. Assemble the entire unit except the top bar because that needs to go behind or in between the pipes. This unit not only provides room for your drain pipes, it also provides shelving. Clear bins are my favorite thing to use when organizing, and you can get them from Bed Bath & Beyond and other places too. And I'm using cabinet bins to keep my items contained, and it also ensures that if I get a leaky mess, it will not damage my cabinets. Next to my body washes, I have my body lotions contained, and next to my lotions, I have a larger bin by Inner Design, and that's where I keep my mani and pedi supplies. I place smaller bins inside to keep my items contained so they're not rolling around. A smaller clear bin, I keep more of my natural products, and on a second shelf, I have another clear bin for sponges, and the bin is slender so it doesn't take up much space. And if you can use a Lazy Susan in the kitchen, why not use it in the bathroom? It gives you access to anything you'll need with a little turn. This pot lid organizer is also by .org, but I've seen it as the perfect organizer for your face cloths. You can fit at least 12 or more cloths, and I love how clean and fresh it looks inside the cabinet. I even had room for a few towels and hand towels, and I even have room for bar soaps too. ORG also carries an over-the-door styling caddy. Hair dryers are such a space hogger, so having this caddy is perfect. It's out of the way and I have room for more storage like these stacking mesh drawers. This is the larger mesh drawer that they have. I didn't get it because it was too big, but I did purchase the medium ones because it was a better fit. Each drawer is removable and the dividers are also removable in case you want to store larger items. Flat irons and brushes and combs are on the bottom, and in the middle drawer I have my makeup bag and room to grow. I don't like having a bunch of stuff where it's hard to find what you're looking for, and I'm really loving not having a bunch of stuff. Top drawer has my hair products, and I could pull the entire drawer out and place it on the counter to do my hair. And when I'm done, I just place the drawer back. There are so many benefits for investing in this organization system. You will save a ton of time getting ready in the morning, and you will save plenty of money because you're not buying multiple items that you don't need. I will place a link to Bed Bath & Beyond in my description box, and let me know down below if this is a system that you can use. And I want to thank you all for watching.